My name is Jeena Lanamdar and welcome to another episode where you and I together will be exploring the beautiful heritage site Hampi, लेकिन उससे भी ज़्यादा the journey of getting there. This is one trip I am most excited for in my life because I am doing this for the first time. This is going to be my ride to Hampi.
तो जब मैंने डिसाइड किया बैंगलोर से हम्पी बाय रोड जाने का, I didn't want to do a usual trip. I wanted something unusual, something quirky, fun and offbeat. And that's when I reached out to Trippy Wheels, who offered to rent me their caravan for this fun trip. In this episode, I'll tell you all about the caravan life, the misconceptions, the pit stops along the way, all you'd want to know about eating, cooking, sleeping in a caravan, and of course, the practicality of traveling in one. Like first things first, let me tell you a little bit about my caravan. Trippy Wheels offers a variety of caravans based on the number of people it can hold. Mera caravan hai El Zorro. This one can seat and sleep 4 persons at a time. And here are some of the amenities that it comes with.
So like I said, we're in Bangalore और हम बैंगलोर से अभी निकल चुके हैं on our way to go to Hampi. और यहाँ से हम्पी जाने के लिए 3 रूट्स हैं. So basically तीनों routes के अपने pros and cons है, but we're going to be going with the first route, that is via Hospit, and it takes about 7.5 hours to reach. Also, by the way, meet him. This is Madhav ji.
Hi.
जो हमारे ड्राइवर कम हमारे टूर गाइड और हमारे फ्रेंड for all these 3 days that we're going to be together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We are ready to go to Hampi. This guy comes with a bedroom, comes with a kitchen क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारा किचन का सामान है. Not just that, it comes with a camping kit, it comes with a picnic set, and it comes with indoor and outdoor games. I mean, what more can you ask for, right? Here 2 people can sleep, and there's another bunker out there where 1 person can sleep. So in the Western countries, driving an RV or a caravan is a very common concept. But out here in India, ये अब तक इतना common हुआ नहीं है. And you know, traveling in a caravan has its own upsides and also some downsides, which we'll discuss in some time. So let me tell you one thing, the route that we're taking, like I told you, is 7 to about 7.5 hours. But the reason I keep saying 72 hours in this caravan is because once we reach Hampi, we're going to be exploring the place also in this caravan. So we're going to be sleeping, cooking and literally just living in this caravan for 72 whole hours just because I wanted to experience what the van life is like. Also, one more thing about practicality that you need to keep in mind is that you cannot sleep while the caravan is being driven. You can, 1 person can really sleep while somebody is sitting in front, but ideally this is not made for sleeping while you are on the go because the safety features like the seat belts etc. are made to keep you safe only while you're in a seating position. So keep that in mind while you're traveling. Also, point number 3 for practicality is the fact that there are no washrooms in this caravan. I know that a lot of caravans and RVs do come with washrooms and even showers where you can, shower on the go, but this one doesn't have that, and I think that's also a plus point, and that way you get to take these pit stops and just flex your muscles for a while. Also, Trippy Wheels has a lot of tie-ups with a number of base camps, so that's pretty much sorted. They can stop whenever you want to go, use the washroom or take a shower. Good morning from beautiful Hampi. Well, actually हम हम्पी कल रात को ही पहुंच गए थे. And I did not want to show you the place in dark because I didn't want to do injustice to this beautiful place that we've arrived at. इसलिए I was waiting for this morning. But here's a little backstory of what happened. तो जब हम हम्पी में arrive हुए, हमें पता चला कि यहाँ पे 90% कैंप साइट्स जहाँ पे आप अपनी कैरावान पार्क करके रात को सो सकते हो, those were all closed because of COVID situation and so on. But when I was googling and finding more and more places to come and park our caravan, मुझे एक जगह मिली and it was called as the hidden place. And when I looked at the pictures on Google, I said probably we should go and try a hand here. And trust me, this was a great decision because I cannot wait to show you guys where we actually arrived last night. Come on. Well, this place is truly beyond amazing. It's called as the hidden place for a reason. So if you guys come to Hampi, make sure you come to the hidden place. They have a restaurant and they have a few cottages to stay as well. You can come out here and inquire more about this place. But for now, that is going to be my spot. I'm going to go there and enjoy a cup of coffee. And this is where we're going to be ending episode 1 of the Hampi series. I hope you guys got all that you wanted to know about the caravan. And we're going to obviously continue with our caravan into episode 2, so stay tuned because that's where you and I together are going to be exploring beautiful Hampi together. Bye.
Stay tuned to Talk and Travel, as in the next episode of the Hampi series, मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी around some beautiful untapped places of Hampi, telling you what really happened to the hippie island and giving you my verdict about traveling in a caravan.